into reverse battle. This time we've got even numbers on the left, odd numbers on the right. To get back to the correct side, we're going to cross straight through the middle. It's time for the slalom. Safely back on the correct side, the coloured smoke about to come on as Red 1 continues the circle for the battle pass. Well, each of our aircraft has 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of red and 1 minute of blue. All carefully choreographed by Red 1 to make sure there's no aircraft running out of smoke during the display. The pilot's operating the smoke using 3 buttons on the control stick, timed once again by Red 1's voice and his cables. As Enid move off to our left-hand side, the coloured smoke changing to white, then going off. It's time to look out to our far right-hand side. Here comes the rear section, red 6 and 7, about to roll inverted and fly formation down the line. Reds 8 and 9 will roll around them in their corkscrew. Aboard for Reds 8 and 9, the coloured smoke on as they roll around 6 and 7. Smoke is flying to Chris Smith. He's previously flown the tornado off board. He's started on the wall and he's flown on the red arrows as Reds 2, 4, 6, 7.